Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms in that mixtures. Mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents, the compound tragacanth powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragacanth mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound tragacanth powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the tragacanth mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound tragacanth powder or tragacanth mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weightable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture, plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. So now let's start with experiment number 10. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the kaolin mixture BP 10 ml. Proposition 1. Diffusible solids do not dissolve in water but mix upon shaking and they get uniformly dispersed throughout the liquid for sufficient time after shaking so that the uniformity of dosage is maintained. Learning objectives of this experiment are to understand the purpose and the preparation of mixture containing diffusible solids and ability to prepare the mixture correctly by following the procedure and label it properly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, beaker, measuring cylinder, filter paper, funnel, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. So prescription is given here Rx. We will discuss in detail in next formula table regarding this given prescription. So first of all, in this formula table we written type, that is the category or use of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredients or excipients. Quantity given in the imperial system 30 ml. Here is no any quantities are given in imperial system. The quantities are already given in the metric system. So quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, quantity taken in the metric system for 10 ml. First of all, light kaolin sterilized used is as an absorbent and quantity given is 200 gram for 30 ml. So quantity taken for 10 ml is calculated by multiplying this 200 gram with 0.01 as in previous slide we seen the factor 0.01, so 200 into 0.01 we will get 2 gram. Then light magnesium carbonate used as antidiarrheal, 50 gram quantity given, taken calculated as 50 into 0.01 we will get 0.5 gram. Sodium bicarbonate used as an electrolyte, quantity given 50 gram, multiplied by 0.01 we will get 0.5 gram. Concentrated peppermint emulsion used as a flavoring agent, quantity given 25 ml, then multiplying by this quantity with 0.01 we will get 0.25 gram. Double strength chloroform water used as a carminative, quantity given 500 ml, and multiplying by this by the 0.01 we will get the 5 ml. Purified water used as a vehicle up to 1000 ml, and for quantity taken it is added up to 10 ml. Direction for this is 1 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times a day. So now let's move for performing actual experiment in laboratory. So now let's move for performing procedure in the laboratory. So for this experiment we have already weighed this light kaolin. Next, this is the magnesium carbonate, light magnesium carbonate already weighed, and this is sodium bicarbonate. From this peppermint oil we already prepared this peppermint emulsion, and this is from this chloroform we already prepared this double strength chloroform water. So first of all we will add this light kaolin into mortar pestle for triturating. Again this is magnesium carbonate, light magnesium carbonate, and this is sodium bicarbonate. After adding all these solid ingredients, now we are going to add vehicle as this peppermint emulsion into it and double strength chloroform water. So let's proceed for trituration. As after trituration we pour this solution into beaker, but here some particles are visible, so let's proceed for filtration through this same grade of pore size, having same pore size as that of muslin cloth. So let's proceed for filtration. So after filtration our filtrate is ready. Now we will proceed for volume makeup. So we will proceed for volume makeup. So now here is 10 ml of our solution formulation. Now we will pour it into container and proceed for labeling. So now we fill our formulation in this container, amber colored container, and we will label it. So let's move for labeling. Kaolin mixture BP volume 10 ml. BP stands for this formulation is taken from official component Compendia British Pharmacopoeia. For ABC means name of patient is written over here. Register number XYZ number in the register. Dispensed by PQR means here we can write the name of pharmacist, and manufacturing date August 2020. Storage condition, store in a cool and dark place. The direction, shake well before use, and one more direction for using 2 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times a day. Manufactured by Element Pharmacy, here we can write the name of industry. So result of our today's formulation is the 10 ml of this kaolin mixture BP is submitted in amber colored plain glass